Hello people! Welcome back to our channel! It's HOUR, our channel! So it's me, your girl, Mela Lemonie, back with another video. For today's video, susubukan natin gawin to. Yes! So, with this hair, favorite na natin tong wig na to. And, what else? Let's get started! First, as you know me, nakapaglagay na tayo ng ating primer, foundation, and concealer. So, diretso na agad tayo sa paglalagay ng kilay. For kilay, we'll be using Happy Soul Cosmetics with this brush. With my favorite kilay brush. So, if you happen to have something in your minds, just comment it down below, a request, a comment, suggestion. Feel free to put it down below. This is how our kilay looks nang walang feel. Ayan ang outline ng ating kilay. So, let's fill it in. As you notice, people, dun sa ating reference, medyo may pagka-brownish, nude, peachy yung kulay ng ating reference. So, we'll try to achieve that using brown, peach, and dun sa lips, since wala tayong ganung lipstick, we'll be using or mix matching lipstick, lip tint, and even mix it with eyeshadow. Dito sa makapal nating kilay, we'll be fixing it with our concealer. Wait! Disclaimer! All the products na mamention natin dito sa ating video isn't sponsored yet. We'll be fixing it with this brush. Ang ating kilay, use your mascara. Just make sure na ma-remove nyo yung excess na mga product dito sa brush or sa bristles para hindi ganun kumatat yung ating kilay. Kasi mas mahirap linisin ang kilay with the mascara on kasi kumakalat. So, just make sure na mabawasan nyo yung laman ng mismong brush before putting or applying the product. So this is the before or without the mascara, and this is the after with the mascara. So parang nag-a-apply ka lang ng mascara sa pilik mata mo, pero sa kilay. If hindi maiwasan na magkaroon ng lagpas dito sa ating kilay kapag naglalagay ka ng mascara, hintayin mo lang matuyo and then saka mo linisin with the concealer. There you have it, people, our kilay. Since ang ating reference is a more of brownish, kind of peachy shade, we'll be using this I Imagine Came Alive palette by J-Cat Beauty. We'll be using this brown, and then this one, and this one, and then maybe a little of each of these colors hanggang sa ma-reach natin yung shade nitong nasa photo. Siyempre, we'll be starting sa lightest shade and with this brush. Once again, sa mga brushes natin, particularly sa mga ginagamit ko, kung saan talaga ako mas komportable, yun yung ginagamit natin. The next shade, we'll use this brush. Bale, yung nakikita ko dito, lightest to darkest yung color. So, from nude to peach, then brown color. May konti pala siyang purple. So, now we'll be moving on sa brownish, peachy, and purple mix. And we'll be using this brush. Then blend it with this brush. Dito sa my under eye, we'll be using this brush. For our cheeks, of course, definitely we'll be using BLK's Feeling Peachy. Peachy kasi yung cheek niya. Dito din sa ilaw. And of course, blend it with this brush. And fix our wig. Konting touch ng ginamit natin sa eyeshadow. For our contour, we'll be using Hide and Seek by J-Cut Beauty. Or we'll try this brush para mas refine yung nose line. Blend it using sponge or even a brush. So, para mas lumabas ang ating contour, we'll be using this BB cream or BB stick. Blend it. But first, let's contour our cheeks. And then loose powder. Blend it. So, meron pang konting yellow dito sa side ng cheek niya. So, kaya natin lagyan ng ito. put our falsies, eyeliner, and lips. Total lang yung eyeliner niya, so we'll use Sassy Ladies. Then we'll put our falsies. So we have our falsies, our eyeliner, and mascara on. Now we'll do the lips. First, we'll use the Pudair lip liner. Super bold no lips niya. So, since we don't have any available color na same dun sa reference natin, we'll be using this one as a base color. This Sassy Ladies shade 19 lip. Long-lasting lipstick, and we'll pat it with some eyeshadow. So, darker shade siya. So, mix-match lang tayo ng brown muna. Then, konting black. May konti din siyang touch ng purple. Parang purplish black yung kulay. So this is the result of the lipstick plus eyeshadow. So para may buhay or may glow, we'll use BLK's Wonder Melon. Huwag kayong mag-alala sa mga kalat-kalat or katat sa face. We can always clean it with a concealer. So to fix our makalat na lips, I've used this brush. So ayun lang. Siya yung ginagamit ko sa paglalagay ng eyeshadow sa ating lips. Para hindi siya patchy-patchy. Then we'll add some highlighter on and we're done. For our highlighter, we'll be using Liquid Glow Highlighter by Sassy Ladies. Apply mist for the finishing touches. People, have ba or wale? So, if have, please click that like button and subscribe and notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga new uploads. And if wale, just comment down below kung ano yung mga need natin for adjustments. Okay? Once again, it's me, your girl, Mela Lemonie, signing off!